Nothing is more satisfying than building your own watch. Getting to build it from assembled pieces, carefully curated for you, with your own hands will award you heaps of bragging rights. Is it doable? Certainly. Is it expensive? Absolutely not. Is it easy to build? You bet. Let me show you. I've always dreamed of making my own watch, but just didn't have the time. It is a laborious process, as a lot of time will be invested in hunting for parts and having to know which ones would work with particular movements. Get it wrong, and it can prove to be a costly mistake. Fortunately, DIY Watch Club had made this achievable with not a lot of investment in both time and money involved. Welcome to my review on assembling one of their watch kit models, the Mosel series watch. We'll start with taking out the tools that I will require right from the start. First, the leather mat, and next the anti-magnetic tweezers, and the mini show bag with the finger cuts, rodico, and a polishing cloth. And here's the watch case, nicely protected. And let me pull out the wire headband. This is where we're going to attach the loop. The loop, of course, here's the loop. The loop, of course, will allow us to get a closer look on the watch parts. It'll help definitely with assembly. Next, we'll take out the case back remover and the dust blower. This will ensure everything will be clean just by blowing the dust away. And let's put on the finger cuts. I like the 3-2 combo, 3 on the left hand and 2 on the right. Okay, and here's the watch case. I'll remove the crown or winding stem, and then the case back. And this is the Miyota movement. And let's remove the temporary winding stem. Carefully put the movement on the movement holder and place the dial gently. It's friction fit, so just push it in. And then insert the proper winding stem and position the whole thing in place in preparation for the hands installation. Let's position the hour hand, then the minute hand, last the seconds hand. I'll include close-up photos to show the gaps between the hands. Here we can see how parallel they are. Time to prepare the case back by blowing away the dusts and removing the winding stem. Slip in the movement and flip it over, making sure it's seated flat. Once it's all flat, put back the winding stem and close the case with the case back. I'll just close it finger tight. And time to put on the straps. The one with the buckle goes at the 12 o'clock end, and the longer strap attaches at 6 o'clock. It's a quick release strap, so it makes it easy to install and uninstall should you get it wrong. And finally, the finished product in all its glory. I'd say it's an easy weekender project. I've attached footage of the midnight date change. The acceptable industry norm is 5 minutes before or after 12. This one will change a little bit after 11:59. which I think is really superb. So it'll happen just about now. Done. There you go. Done. So what's the verdict? The whole kit was super easy to put together, so it shouldn't be a problem for the average person. I think it would make an ideal present for almost anyone, from the watch geek to the keen DIY person in the family. It comes with all the necessary tools so you can complete the project in no time. And should you need some help, DIY Watch Club also has video instructions you can watch along the way. Overall, I'm impressed with the kit. Thank you DIY Watch Club for this opportunity. Do check them out and don't forget to use the discount code shown in the description below. My disclaimer, I'm not getting paid by DIY Watch Club for this review or earn any money from any of their sales. It's just my honest 2 cents worth. Thank you for watching.